Hola amigos, my name is Julio Foppoli and I want you to speak Spanish like a pro. Hello guys, Julio Foppoli here. So in our previous videos we learned a lot of jobs and occupations, but now it's time to put all that knowledge into practice. In this lesson we're going to learn how to ask about someone's job or occupation and how to answer that. And for this we have two sets of questions. We have some that are formal, as we see here with the red boxes, and we have some that are informal. We'll see that this is very simple. We have, just like in English, we have three ways, at least three main ways to ask about this, to ask about someone's job or occupation. For example, we can say, what do you do for a living? In Spanish we would say, ¿a qué se dedica usted? This is the formal version. ¿A qué se dedica usted? This is in parentheses, meaning that you can omit this. I could just say, ¿a qué se dedica? And if I want to be a little bit more informal, maybe I'm talking to someone younger or someone I'm closer to, I could say, ¿a qué te dedicas? What do you do for a living? ¿A qué te dedicas? This is informal. The way to answer that could be soy plus the occupation. For example, I'm a teacher. Soy maestro. ¿Y usted? And you? I'm a teacher. And you? Soy maestro. ¿Y usted? And if I were talking more informally, I would say soy maestro. ¿Y tú? And this would be the informal version. And the person would basically answer the same. Would say soy plus the occupation, right? So the person would say, for example, I'm a dentist. Soy dentista. Alright, another way of asking the same could be, like if I want to say, what do you do? ¿Qué hace? Or ¿qué hace usted? For the formal version. And I could say, ¿qué haces tú? Or just ¿qué haces? For the informal version. Again, the answer would be basically the same. ¿Qué haces? Bueno, soy abogado, I'm an attorney. ¿Y tú? Or ¿y usted? Depending on formal or informal. And the other person would answer basically following the same pattern. We don't have a lot of variety in this. Soy estudiante, I'm a student. And the last question that we have, what's your occupation? ¿Cuál es su ocupación? ¿Cuál es su ocupación? This is the formal version of it. And then we have, ¿cuál es tu ocupación? ¿Cuál es tu ocupación? And that's it. You see that learning Spanish doesn't need to be difficult at all. So as important as knowing how to say the structures, it's also important to understand when people talk to us and when they talk to us fast. In this section you will hear a fast-paced conversation about jobs and occupations. You will listen to the same dialogue 3 times to figure out what each speaker does. Then you will see the text of what was actually said. Let's get started. Número 1.
¿Qué hace usted?
Soy empresaria.
¡Ah, qué bueno!
¿Y usted? ¿A qué se dedica?
Soy dentista.
Muy interesante.
Now let's listen to the dialogue again.
¿Qué hace usted?
Soy empresaria.
¡Ah, qué bueno!
¿Y usted? ¿A qué se dedica?
Soy dentista.
Muy interesante.
And one more time.
¿Qué hace usted?
Soy empresaria.
¡Ah, qué bueno!
¿Y usted? ¿A qué se dedica?
Soy dentista.
Muy interesante.
¿A qué se dedican? What do they do for a living? La mujer es, the woman is, empresaria. Muy bien. Y el hombre es dentista. Fantástico. Now, if you couldn't get these words because you didn't really know the vocabulary, I'm going to post some video links below so that you can work on all this vocabulary on jobs and professions. But if you couldn't understand this because it was too fast, don't worry at all. We're going to do a lot of listening comprehension exercises so you can improve those listening skills. That will be the purpose of our next video. And that's all for today. I hope you have found enormous value in this video, and if that is the case, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you so much one more time. My name is Julio Foppoli. Until next time.
¿Qué hace usted?
Soy empresaria.
¡Ah, qué bueno!
¿Y usted? ¿A qué se dedica?
Soy dentista.
Muy interesante.